It was night time, and countless stars were shining in the sky. Ali was sitting in the garden with his grandfather. Looking at the vastness of the sky, he was lost in deep thought. Ali innocently, "Grandfather, I have recognized Allah through his signs, but I want to know him even more." His grandfather smiled, gently placed his hand on Ali's head, and said, "My dear, Allah has given us his beautiful names so we can know him. Each name has a special attribute, a unique identity. Come, today let us try to understand these names through nature." Ali surprised, "Grandfather, why is this duck hiding her babies under her wings?" Grandfather, smiling, "My child, she is protecting them, just like a mother cares for her child." Ali, "But who taught her to take care of her babies?" Grandfather, "Allah did. He is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Just as this duck shows compassion to her young, Allah shows infinite mercy to his creation. We can see his kindness everywhere." Ali grows thoughtful and watches the duck closely. Ali curiously, "Grandfather, why is this beehive so organized? And how do they know where to go?" Grandfather, "My child, this is a sign that Allah is Al-Hakeem, the most wise. He created everything with wisdom. The structure of the beehive and their hard work teach us that every creation of Allah has wisdom." Ali smiling, "So, is everything in our life also under a plan of wisdom?" Grandfather, gently, "Exactly, my child. We should trust in Allah's wisdom." Ali nods as if he's understood something profound. Ali happily, "Grandfather, this sun is so beautiful. It lights up everything." Grandfather, "Yes, my child, and it is a sign of Allah. He is An-Nur, the light giver. Just like the sun drives away darkness, Allah's light brightens our hearts and minds." Ali thinking, "So knowledge is also the light of Allah?" Grandfather, "Yes, my child. Knowledge and guidance are Allah's light, teaching us to differentiate truth from falsehood." Ali goes into deep thought. Ali surprised, "Grandfather, how are these mountains so strong? Why don't they fall?" Grandfather, "Because Allah is Al-Qadeer, the all-powerful. He holds them firm, just like he sustains our lives." Ali, "So, can Allah also hear every one of my prayers?" Grandfather, smiling, "Yes, my child. He is capable of everything. He can change anything whenever he wills." Ali feels a deeper sense of Allah's power. Ali, touching the water, "Grandfather, why do these waves keep washing everything over and over?" Grandfather, "Just like this water washes away dirt, Allah is Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving. If we repent sincerely, he forgives us." Ali, with eyes glistening, "Allah is so merciful." Ali makes a silent prayer in his heart. It was nighttime again. Ali and his grandfather sat under the stars. Looking up at the sky, Ali said, "Grandfather, I recognized Allah through his signs, found him in the Quran, and now I've known him through his names. But is the journey of knowing Allah over now? Or is there something beyond this?" His grandfather smiled and said, "That is the real question. Is there a limit to knowing Allah? Can you ever fully comprehend him? Or is there still more to discover?" Ali's eyes sparkled with wonder. He fell into contemplation. "So, does this journey never end?" "That's what you have to discover for yourself, my child," said the grandfather, smiling. "Now this question isn't only for Ali, it's for every child listening. Do you want to know where the journey of recognizing Allah leads? Do you too want to seek answers like Ali did? Then think, and continue your search